for asset protection when somebody sues you personally, and for lawsuit protection when there's a liability on the property, we add an LLC to the mix. What we do is we make the LLC the beneficiary of each land trust. That way, the land trust does its part, privacy of ownership and ease of transferability, and then the LLC does its part, lawsuit protection. Plus, the LLC provides asset protection to help shield the property from somebody who wants to take it away from you in a lawsuit. So again, the land trust for privacy and the LLC for lawsuit protection. Now you might be thinking, but wait, if the property is in a land trust and I don't technically own the property, how do I control it? The answer is simple. You, as the beneficiary of the trust, have the power to direct the trustee on how to manage the property. You can rent it out, sell it, or make changes to it, all with the help of the trustee. And when we set up a land trust for a client, we usually set up a Wyoming LLC with a virtual office in Wyoming and nominee managers so their name doesn't appear in the public records. And people love it because you control your LLC that acts as the trustee.